Hi students, welcome to AR Accounting. If you are also worried about that how to make an income statement with additional information given that contains adjustments for accruals and prepaids and other calculations, then watch this video till end and this topic will be very clear to you and you will be able to solve such questions very easily. Now we start this question. This question is about services business. Tallulah owns a hairdressing salon. She also rents out part of her property to Sheila, who offers a range of beauty treatments. Tallulah provides the following information for the year ended 30th September 2025. This information is given for this year ending. Salaries, expense, electricity charges, expense, water charges, expense, income from hairdressing, income, insurance expense, general expenses, property tax also expense, rent received from Sheila, income. We can see we have two incomes here and all other expenses. Okay, now we are given some additional information and we will see that how to adjust this additional information while making the income statement in part A. Insurance of 2067 is for the period from 1st October 2024 to 31st October 2025. Whenever such information is given in any point, in any expense or income, first of all find out that how much period is this. How much period is this? Calculate from this month till this month, that how many months you are having during this period. If we count from 1st October 24 till 31st October 25, these are 13 months. It means this 2067 is for 13 months, but our financial year is of 12 months. We have to take out 12 months expense from this 13 months total paid. Okay, what we will do, see here, we will multiply 2067 by 12 over 13. Okay, in numerator 12 the number of months of our financial year, and 13 is the total period for which this expense has been paid. So we will get 1908 dollars for 12 months, and the remaining expense is prepaid expense. Next, Sheila commenced renting property from Tallulah on 1st October 2024. There remains 2 months of rental payments in arrears. Okay. Uh, Sheila started renting property. Sheila has rented her property to Tallulah on 1st October. Means when her financial year started, she rents out her property uh, to Sheila. Okay. Now we will see the remaining part. There remains 2 months of rental payments in arrears. Mean 2 months rent has not been paid, and we are receiving the rent or we are paying the rent. You can see rent received from Sheila. It means this is about our income. Okay, it is about this adjustment is about our rental income. Okay, so 2 months rent has not been paid. There remains 2 months of rental payment in arrears, mean that 2 months rent is still due. So first we will see that if 2 months rent is left, it means the 10 months rent has been paid. Okay, in our financial year there are 12 months, and out of those 12 months 2 months rent is remaining. It means how much rent we have received? We have received for 10 months, but we also have to take into account the 2 months remaining rent. Okay, how we will do this calculation? We will divide this 6400 by 10 to calculate the rent of 1 month. 1 month rent is 640. So what will be the rent of 12 months? 640 multiplied by 12, 7680 is the total rental income for our whole financial year. Okay, hope you have got this information. Third is property tax of 3045 is for the period of 1st October 2024 to 31st December 2025. The property tax that we have paid, this 3045, this belongs to this period, okay, October 24 till December 25. It means these are 15 months. We will count these months including both, because October is starting from 1st and December's 31st is given. It means October is also included, December is also included. So we will count on fingers that how many months are these. These are total 15 months. It means we have paid property tax for 15 months, but we need property tax for 12 months. What we will do, 3045 multiplied by 12 over 15 is equal to 2436. Now you have seen that how we have adjusted these additional information calculations, and now we are going to see that how this income statement will be prepared. In the mark scheme we will see its format and also the marks allotted to the steps. See, first of all, we will list all our incomes. One point to remember, there is no cost of sales section and there is no gross profit in services sector business. Okay, when you are making income statement of services business, then you will not make any cost of sale section and there will not be any gross profit calculation. What we will do, first of all, we will uh, complete all our incomes together. We will add them. Okay, income from hairdressing 124,700 it is given, and rent receivable 6,400 plus 1280, it is 7,680. You can also give this calculation here that I have shown you while we were adjusting. See this one. The 2 months, that you will divide it, first divide it by 10 and the answer is to be multiplied by 12. Okay, 640 multiplied by 12. If you write 640 multiplied by 12, then again you get the same answer. Okay, now here in the answer we have written both the incomes and we total them. So this is the total income of our business. After that you have to give heading less expenses, and first expenses of salaries, there was no adjustment so we wrote it as it is. It is given in the question. Electricity charges and water charges, general expenses, and ensure there were adjustments for insurance and property taxes 1908 and 2436. These two were the adjustments. They have also shown that how you will calculate these, and the final figure comes here. The total expenses, their answer is shifted here, and then we subtract from total expenses 114,446 from 132,380, and profit for the year is 17,934. See here, they have allotted 5 marks to this question and 1 mark for the first adjustment of rent receivable, means there is no mark for income from hairdressing, but 1 mark for this 7680 if you show its proper working. And then there are 3 marks on those expenses where you have to make calculations, and 1 mark for all these, okay, all these expenses where you are not going to do any calculation, and 2 marks for these. And in the end, if you write your sum of expenses over here and subtract it from this total income and get your answer here, okay, and you tell that it is profit for the year, you will get 1 mark for 17934. But on figure marks means if there is a calculation mistake, okay, it will be waived off and you will get a mark over here whatever your answer is coming over for the profit. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can see the remaining videos of past papers explanation. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.